What would happen if your only source of income disappeared tomorrow? Most people depend on just one income, their job. And if that income stops, everything collapses. But there's a smarter way: building multiple income streams. Income stream number 1, active income like freelancing or skills. Income stream number 2, small business or side hustle. Income stream number 3, investing your money. When you have multiple streams, money starts coming from different directions. Even if one stream fails, others still support you. That's how you create financial security. But here's the problem: most people never start. They wait, they delay, and stay stuck. Step 1, start small. Step 2, use your free time to build something extra. Step 3, reinvest your money. Over time, your income streams will grow. And slowly, money starts working for you. That's when you experience true financial freedom. And you'll wonder why you didn't start earlier. Never depend on one income, build multiple streams and secure your future.